Morning, you guys. It's the morning of trunk or treat, and I want to show you guys what I've been doing to prepare for decorations and for the trick-or-treaters. So I wanted to start this video off with a bit of a sketch so I kind of knew what to expect. I cannot draw, but this is supposed to be my car with the trunk open. It is a car. We don't have a large vehicle, but basically what I'm wanting to do is have a streamer that basically has a saying on it. I know that's very uneven, I'm sorry. And the other thing that I wanted to do was have a treasure chest that would probably be in the middle of the car trunk. These are little octopus or jellyfish that I want to make to hang off the side. Like I said, there's the treasure chest, and then the inside of the car would have a bunch of blue balloons that would kind of act as the water. And for lack of time, I guess, this was going to be a coral made of pool noodle, but it's off season and I can't find pool noodles anywhere, so that did not end up happening, but this was my initial idea. So I am back and I have officially fluffed all of these out, and I have my glue gun here. The next step that I'm going to do is glue on the eyes, which I just printed out on the printer. I'm going to use the small ones for these guys since they're smaller, and I'm going to do 3 going one way and 3 going the other way. And then after that, I'm going to use the streamer that pretty much matches, and I think actually cut the width of it in half and make the tentacles, I guess they're called tentacles, on jellyfish. Those are the next 2 steps. Do you ever feel like you're being watched? I always feel like somebody's watching me, and that's my puppy. Oh. Alright, so we have all of the cute little tentacles I guess attached. I hot glued them, and now I am going to go get some string that I have for another part of this that I will put these guys on so that they can hang together on their respective sides. Hi everyone, so I've been a terrible blogger and haven't really kept you guys updated on what we've been making for trunk or treat, so I thought that I could show you this morning before I have to actually edit this video. So first we have this. I used expanding foam to draw out this coral. It's very lightweight and pretty sturdy and solid. I have another one up at the front that I'll show you that's purple, but this one is pink. Okay, here's the purple coral that I made, and I've actually already attached some more kind of corally and underwater stuff underneath it, but I have another set of this green leaf back there to attach to the pink one. I made this one after I made that other one, but it's one of those, like, I guess layered corals. I don't know how else to say that, but I made this. Our house, I'm sorry, it's just a mess. This is on our kitchen counter. This is a little treasure chest where we're actually gonna keep our candy. Oh no, one of them literally fell off when I just did that. Such a small movement. Anyways, we're gonna put our candy in there, but we made our treasure chest. This is made out of spray paint, cardboard, and stick-on gems and shells that I glued on. So we've been doing some work on this already, and I didn't get to really show you the process. So this is a box that we're gonna actually be turning into a treasure chest, and we've already painted it and cut the sides, and we're using this box that Jonathan's cutting open for the lid that we're going to make look more like a treasure chest. So stay tuned. Alright, update. So we got this layer by taking off one side of the cardboard paper, I guess, and this makes it to be more like the top of a treasure trunk where it's kind of bendy. I don't know how else to say that. So after painting this and adding decorations, here is our treasure box. Now, after reading my email this morning, I'm kind of nervous about this because There's no way I'm gonna have enough for all of the attendees. I found out like 3,200 people are registered to come to this, and they have like candy to supplement, but I wanted to do little like toys or little cute little giveaway items. But basically we have this cat toy that our cat loves, and it's a fishing rod, and I've seen something where you basically write, I'm gonna basically write treasure grotto or treasure trove or something like that, and the kids, it'll sit up, and either Jonathan or I will be behind it. The kids will throw this over, and there'll be a little clip on the end, and then we will put something on the end and tug it, and they can actually like reel it in. But I have made about 100 giveaways by hand, and that took me hours yesterday. And I will feel really bad if a horde of children come and only one of them gets a giveaway. So I really don't know what I'm gonna do. So we'll figure that out. Speaking of the giveaway items, these are the giveaway items that I have made. So we have about 30 stickers here in the bottom that are sea themed. I made about 40 of these, but one of them I took out to put in my hair because I am dressing up a little bit. I have these little crabs. I made Jonathan a big one he's gonna put in his pocket. I made just a few of these little necklaces on the jute cord, leftover jute cord, and I have like a ton of shells left over. And then I put some eyes on some shells. Just little cute things that kids will be like, oh, it's my little friend or whatever, you know. But there's probably about 100 in here, so I was going to operate off of the assumption of when they're gone, they're gone. The only other stuff is in this box. I can't remember all that I've done, but I just have a lot to do this morning. So this is gonna be kind of draping out of the car. It's a very reflective blue, it's very pretty. Then I made this last night with fishing line. And it's just a bunch of like fish cutouts that are glued to fishing line that I think I'm gonna hang out, and I think I'm gonna make more of those. I think everyone has seen these probably. They're the little jellies that I made out of the dollar store streamer and the dollar store flower garland, I think. And then I made two bigger ones. This one is a guppy, has a huge eye, and then this one needs the streamer, but it's like a bigger jellyfish. It's still not a streamer. And then I made this banner that says C, S-E-A, King Jesus. So it's like see King Jesus, but it's also like seeking Jesus. And then it's C, King Jesus. I know, it's a lot. So what you probably won't see, because I need to go edit this now because this is morning of, and I'm cutting this into 2 parts because it's just so much. But what you probably won't see is you won't see that we have to blow up 30 balloons. I think we're gonna be doing a little bit more DIY. We have a whole nother can of foam. I don't know if we're gonna use that or not. We might have to go get some more giveaways. I really don't know, but that's pretty much what we're doing and where we are with everything. So I am going to talk to you guys later, and I will see you in the next trunk or treat video.